This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. So by now we are done with three parts of our GST annual return and audit video series. We have seen when GST annual return is applicable, the overview about the GST annual return and the detailed analysis of each and every table in GST annual return. Now we come to the fourth part of the series, how to report differences. The most important issue while filing GST annual return comes is we are going to encounter few issues, we are going to encounter few differences. What are the stand that we should take in respect of such differences and how we should report the same. To begin with the video, there are four broad categories of differences or errors observed while preparing annual return. Differences in inward supplies, my input tax credit, difference in outputs, my outward tax liability, difference in interest self-assessed by me while filing annual return versus interest liability reported in my GSTR 3B. And fourth case is difference in RCM liability self-assessed by me while filing annual return as compared to RCM liability declared in GSTR 3B. So words I am stressing over here are self-assessed by me because in GST it is a self-assessment system and it is expected we ourselves do the assessment of tax payable by us. So what are the input differences? Here I am including RCM input. I have separated RCM differences in my liability, but while taking set off, the treatment is same whether my input tax credit belongs to my normal supplies or belongs to my RCM transactions. The input tax credit, the two broad categories can be, it is either excess claimed or less claimed. As per my annual return working, my input tax credit is rupees 10 lakhs. In my GSTR 3B, I have claimed rupees 12 lakhs. So this is the case of excess claimed. In this case, I would see whether I have reversed this excess 2 lakhs in next year or not. If I have reversed this 2 lakhs in next year, I would report the same in table 12 of annual return. If I have reversed partly, say 1.5 lakhs over here, I would show rupees 1.5 lakhs in table 12 of annual return. The element which is not reversed in next year, in our example rupees 50,000, would be shown net in table 6 itself. So as per my table 6, 6A amount is 12 lakhs. While filling table 6, I would fill 10 lakh 50,000 over here. Sorry, 11 lakh 50,000 over here. So I have reduced this 50,000 in table 6 itself. And 1 lakh 50,000 which is reversed in next year is reported in table 12. Alternatively, we can also take a stand to report 10 lakhs only in table 6. If we want to have no reconciliation in GSTR 9C. In case of input less claimed, as per my annual return working, my total input for the year is 10 lakhs, but I have claimed only rupees 8 lakhs through 3B. In this case, I would confirm whether I have claimed the remaining 2 lakhs in next year. If yes, I would include the same in table 13 of annual return. If no, I would see whether the time limit is available or over. If the time limit is available, I will avail the set off through 3B and report in table 13. If the time limit is over, I would not report that ITC anywhere in my annual return because that ITC has lapsed. So friends, here I told that there is an alternate approach wherein instead of reporting as per 3B in table number 6, we can report only actual ITC as per my audited financial statements if it is less or more in table number 6 only. It is an alternative approach for filing annual return. We should give appropriate disclosures. The reason over here for having alternate approach is when we insert data in table 12 and table 13 of annual return, we are not sure what action does the GSTN on its back end take on the information presented in this table. Now moving forward to differences in outward supply. In outward supply, the data, the amount which is auto-populated or which is to be considered for GSTR 9C is amount as per table 9 plus 10 minus 11. Hence, we know that the amount of the data which is inserted in table 10 and 11 is of relevance, is been taken cognizance, is being considered. So in case of output, again we have two broad categories: excess reported, less reported. If I have excess reported my outward liability in GSTR 3B, whether I have reversed it in next year. If yes, I will show it in table 11 of next year. I have not reversed the excess reported, then in that case I will reverse in 3B plus report in table 11. If it is less reported, whether I have reported the same in next year. If yes, I would report in table 10 of annual return. If no, I would report in table 4 of annual return and pay tax on the same through DRC 03. So friends, this is very important. If I have reported it in next year, it means I have paid tax on that supply through GSTR 3B of next year. So if I disclose these transactions over here in table 4, as we discussed in earlier video, the total of tables 4 will come at table 9. Then there would be difference in tax payable and tax paid as per table 9, and government may issue, GSTN may issue a notice that this much is the difference and kindly pay the same through DRC 03, or they may give a notice that as per table 9 difference is 2 lakhs and you have paid only rupees 50,000 through DRC 03. Today we cannot comment when such notice can be issued, but it can be issued. Also, in if these cases we report that amount in table 4 and table 10, it would be double reporting and it would give rise to reconciliation in my GSTR 9C. Also, I have written action required at many places in the table of inward and outward supply. The reason is just reporting in current year in table 10 and 11 does not close the issue, and it also requires reporting in next year annual return. Appropriate reporting in next year annual return is required for such transactions. So how to report these transactions in next year? While discussing from GSTR 9 in earlier video, we saw that table 4 specifically covers only those outward supplies which are made during the financial year. So outward supplies which are made of earlier financial year but disclosed in 3B of current financial year are not to be included in table 4. To that respect, there is going to be difference in tax payable and tax paid in table 9. Let's take an example. During the year, I have paid outward liability, or I have reported an outward liability of 25 lakhs through 3B, out of which 3 lakhs pertains to earlier financial year. So my table 4 will have only 22 lakhs. Tax payable on table 9 of GST annual return would have 22 lakhs and tax paid will be 25 lakhs. The reason for reconciliation is going to be 3 lakhs shown as paid in next year in table 10 of annual return. So we all should prepare reconciliation of tax payable and tax paid as per table 9 of annual return, and the reasons for differences are going to be tax paid of last financial year, tax reversed of last financial year, tax liability to be paid of current financial year. Tax liability to be reversed of current financial year cannot be the case, and it should be reported through table 11 only. Now let's proceed to differences in RCM and interest liability. So friends, while discussing output differences, I have not discussed about how we should report outward liability in case of RCM transactions. We all know that it is to be reported through table 4 of GSTR 9. Table 10 and table 11 only cover outward tax liability. They do not cover inward supplies on which tax is payable on reverse charge mechanism, and hence we should never report RCM transactions in table 10 or 11, otherwise it may lead to item of reconciliation in GSTR 9C. I have two options. Either I would report the same in table 4 of annual return, or I would directly report the same in GSTR 9C. Similarly, for interest liability, if there is any difference, I can report it through table 9E of annual return or directly through GSTR 9C. I hope, friends, I have been able to clear this concept of how to report differences in annual return. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Do subscribe to my channel and connect me on LinkedIn. If you want to receive email updates, you can also share your mail ID through the Google form attached here in the description. Thank you very much.